Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are well. Dear students, open your countdown book 4. Today we are going to start our new unit 5, that is measurements. Dear students, in this chapter we are going to cover all these points. In key vocabulary, we are going to discuss length, weight and volume and capacity. So let's start. Dear students, do you know what is measurements? Students, we often ask very common questions like what is the length of this room? How long are you waiting? What is your age? These all can be measured using measurements. Measurements is the action of measuring something. We can measure time, weight, volume, temperature, length, speed, etc. Students, just imagine you have to buy curtains for your windows. How will you know how much clothes you should buy? You will have to measure the length of your window so that you can tell the shopkeeper. History of the metric system. Students, in ancient time, people used to measure length with their hands and foot. The measurements are different when different people use their hand span or foot span because the length of the hand and foot are different from person to person. This is why hand span and foot span cannot give us fixed measurements. To measure things, we need standard units. A standard unit is a fixed unit. Metric system is based on 10. Let's begin. Some basic unit of measurements used in metric system. Let's start with 7 frequent use units. So, in metric system, starting at the left and moving to the right, we have kilo, hecto, deca, base unit, deci, centi and milli. Now, starting at the base unit and move toward the left, deca we have value 10, hecto 100 and kilo 1000, and the base value is 1. And move to the right, deci would be 1/10, centi 100th, milli 1000. Students, we can multiply our basic units of measurements to make a bigger unit useful for measuring big lengths, weights and capacities. We may also divide our basic unit to make the smaller ones useful for measuring small lengths, weights and capacities. But whether we multiply or divide our units, we always do so in multiples of 10. So dear students, this is the definition of metric system. Students, you have to learn this definition. The system of measurements based on multiples of 10 is called the metric system. Now, units of measurement. Dear students, we use different unit of measurement for length, weight and capacity. These unit of measurements are of different sizes. The small units are to measure small things and bigger units are measured bigger things. So the first one is length, second weight and third volume. Students, do you know what is length? It is the distance between 2 points. We have to measure the distance between 2 points. Dear students, people used parts of the body for measuring length. For example, length of the pencil, length of the whiteboard and the distance between two cities. The standard unit of length are kilometer, meter, centimeter and millimeter. Dear students, kilometer represented km, meter represented m, centimeter represented cm and millimeter represented mm. So the question is, what is the standard unit of length? Dear students, when we measure small things like razor, paper clip, we measure it in centimeter and millimeter. Or while a dining table length of a piece of cloth or carpet we will be measured in meters. Similarly, longer lengths such as distance traveled by a car or a train will be measured in kilometers. Examples: length of the mathematics books is 275 centimeters. Sana bought 5 meters of cloth. Distance between Amir's house and school is 13 kilometers. The length of a color pencil is 15 centimeter 8 millimeter. Salma's height is 1 meter 84 centimeter. A train traveled a distance of 30 kilometer 750 meters between two cities. Mass and weight. Students, tell me, do you ever feel that today is your lunchbox is lighter or heavier than the other days? We often compare weights of things like you may say, your bag is heavier than your friend's bags. Dear students, when we want to buy vegetable, we cannot tell the vendor, I buy capsicum lighter than the cauliflower. I want pumpkin as heavier than the cabbage. So what do? Now when you are buying a pumpkin, you can buy a heavy one. But we do not need all the things in the same quantity, like when we buy green chili, we buy in a small quantity. So how do we measure the weight? Some vendors, like the ones selling the vegetables, use a common balance and different metallic weights. Students, look at the balance. The weight of the two pens are equal. I have weighed 1 kg of apple. Look at the balance. The weight of the pen are unequal. The pen which weight more comes down, the apples weight more. The pen which weight less goes up. Add more weight to the pen, the weight 1 kg of apple. Now the balance are equal. The standard unit of weight are kilograms, grams. Dear students, kilogram represented kg and gram represented G. So the question is, what is the standard unit of weight or mass? Students, when we measure heavy things measured in bigger unit like kilogram, for example, vegetables, rice and flour will all be measured in kilograms. While lighter things such as spices, tea bags, pastries are measured in small unit gram. Examples: Fauzia's father bought 5 kg of apples. The chef requires 75 gram of spices and 1 kg 200 gram of meat to prepare a dish. Volume and capacity. Look, I have a bottle filled with water and an empty jar. Let's fill the jar with water. Look at the water started overflowing and fell out the jar. So we can say that the capacity of the bottle is more than the jar. That is, the bottle can hold more water than the jar. The amount of water that the jar is holding is called the capacity of the jar. For example, cold drinks are sold in bottles that can hold 200 ml, 500 ml and 1 liter. We have seen a cooking oil getting sold in pouches that can hold half liter and 1 liter. The standard unit of volume and capacity are liter and milliliter. Dear students, Liter represented L and milliliter represented ml. Capacity is the amount of space a container can occupy. We measured liquid in liters and milliliters. For example, a water tank can hold 800 liters of water. The milk bottle has a capacity of 250 ml. There is 15 liter 750 milliliter of water in the aquarium. And the question is, what is the standard unit of volume or capacity? So the standard unit of volume and capacity are liters and milliliters. Okay students, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.